everyone, and welcome back to Crochet by Shawn. If this is your first time joining us, welcome. Glad to have you along. Make sure you hit the subscribe, like, and share buttons. Today I want to show you how to make your own hairpin lace feathers for Dreamcatchers. And they look just like real feathers. In this video, this is a really simple trick, so I assume you already know how to hairpin lace. If you don't, you can watch my video tutorial on that. But I have 90 stitches on both sides. I used a size 5 hook. I've got them an inch apart, and all I did was single crochet, but through both loops. Whether you go through one loop or two or under both makes no difference, because you're going to end up like this. And when you start, this came from the bottom part where we started. Leave an extra long string if you want to put beads or anything on them. Leave an extra long string. But now that you've pulled it off, all you do is go in here and slice up your loops. It's the easiest thing. I made this one for a 14-inch Dreamcatcher, so I did 90 on both sides. The green one I had on the table is, I think, a 6-inch. I think I did 40 on that one. So you can do as many as you want, however long you want it to match what you're doing. But this is all you do. And you just cut them down both sides. If you don't get them exactly even, no big deal. No feather is exactly even. And then I'll show you a little trick here in a little bit to make it look even more like a feather. And I do use some craft glue on the ends so that it doesn't come apart. I put craft glue down here at the base on both sides, and I put it up here on both sides so that it doesn't come apart. But once you have the sides cut so that it doesn't fall apart like that, just brush it down. You can pull it out a little bit, and it looks just like a feather. And that's all there is to it. Thanks so much for joining us today, and we will see you next time.